I just thought he was under the car dead or somewhere, and then when I looked over, I saw his body, but then when I went up to it, it was just my sweater, and like, it was just relief, but like I was yelling his name and he just didn't come, and I just want him to come home. When I saw the animal come across, I went off the road a little bit, and then I went back on the road, and then my tire popped at that when I was trying to readjust my driving, and then I just knew we were going, and I like tried to reach for him, and it was just too late, and like from that moment, like it was bad. And then when I climbed out of the car and like realized that he was gone, like I was just so frazzled, and I just couldn't stop crying, and I was like sitting on the floor screaming help because like he was gone. Like I didn't know if he was hurt. I didn't know. Honestly, I thought he was under the car, and like he is like my best friend, and he's so important to me, and like having him gone for 3 months has like really affected me, and like has made my depression kind of worse, and like it's just sad, and like I always cry because like it's so different not having him there, because he was with me all the time when I wasn't working or in school. But yeah, he was with me all the time, and if he couldn't come with me, then I wouldn't go, basically. He was always with me, and then just like not having him there when I wake up or whatever, just coming home from work, it's just depressing. It's just weird having something there, being used to something there, and then now it's just gone. Like down his neck and then onto his legs is completely white. So